or welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see on the title, it's grocery recently vlog. I decided to be a semi-vegan and I will be going to one of my favorite supermarket here in Portugal, the Aldi. Aldi is one of the best because they have many organic things and also vegan friendly food. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and smash that bell notification so you will never miss any tips and vlogs with Asian Magandita. So to be ready, of course, we need a mask, and also I got my bags. I love these bags. This is from Tiger. I love to bring these kind of bags instead of using plastics to supermarket. So let's go. Yeah, there's a sign, but I think it's just a prank because it's cold even though there's a sign. It's a little bit cold. I'm back. So first things first that I got, vegetarian pizza. Since I am starting to be a vegetarian, I'm gonna eat for lunch today pizza, but it's veggies, vegan pizza. You can see it. This is gonna be my lunch today since I'm really hungry. I didn't able to eat my lunch. Maybe that's the reason now. I bought many things actually. So I have to put it in the oven first because I'm really starving. I'm gonna preheat the oven. So the vegan pizza. And second thing I got, of course, I got this feijão mungo. It's a bean sprout actually. Feijão mungo. And I got this wheatgrass tea. I love this wheatgrass tea. I never tried actually a wheatgrass, but I heard, and my boyfriend's telling me wheatgrass is the best for elixir of life. You're gonna bring back to be elixiring your cells, renew your cells. Maybe I will be young again. So, and also I got the fresh wheat flan. I saw there in Aldi. Wheat flan. I'm gonna just put it up with some water later. And of course some broccoli. Put in already broccoli. And I got some linseed. I love linseed. So lentils actually. Linseed. I don't know which language is this, but this is lentils. Red lentils. I love this for soup, and it's very healthy and of course vegan friendly. And of course I also got chickpeas. This is fresh chickpeas, 500 grams chickpeas. This is raw. And of course also I got ginger. I love ginger. And also I got this purple cabbage. I saw something purple. I love to cook my own purple, the real vegetables, but I saw this in Aldi and it seems interesting. It's really, of course, it's vegan friendly written there, and it's good to be a side dish for when I eat some rice. I love it. Purple. And also I got this lentils flour. Love it. I'm so excited to use it for my pancakes. It's so unique. I never saw a lentil flour, 9 grams, and protein 25 grams. Perfect. And of course, I got, sometimes if I'm craving for some sweets, I'm gonna use this natural figs, like a jam, figo jam. Not this. For trigo, it's wheat trigo. It's amazing for the wrap. Sometimes I like to eat some wrap and I'm wrapping some vegetables, so it's perfect. It is made of wheat. And also I got some tofu, smoked tofu. So it seems amazing. I love tofu. It's of course vegan friendly. And of course I got some bananas for fruit. It's always present in my grocery every time I go to grocery. And of course I got this cranberries, dried cranberries from Trader Joe. You all know, if you don't know me, I love Trader Joe, and since there is no Trader Joe here in Portugal, only in Aldi, so this is one of the reasons I'm going to Aldi, Trader Joe. So these cranberries, I also got some, if I'm craving some chips or something, I got this lentil snack, pure natural lentil snack. And also I got this vegetarian ham. I don't know, I never tried this, but it looks amazing. Only natural things and vegan vegetarian ham. See it? This is the vegan ham. Also I got this lentils coconut cream. It's good for the bread or something, or maybe I'm gonna use it for my tortilla wrap, wheat tortilla wrap. It's also natural, vegan friendly. Got bio again from Aldi. And another thing is from Trader Joe, nuts, because I love nuts. It's kind of nuts, but I'm really crazy on nuts. I got this Trader Joe mixed nuts. And also I got, of course, quinoa, real quinoa. This is perfect substitute for rice or pasta. This is amazing. I love quinoa. This got bio again, the brand from it. And of course, I got for some vegetables. I love brinjelo, or we call it, it's for eggplant. I'm gonna use it for, maybe I'm gonna make it later, the eggplant for pasta or something. Instead of meat, I'm gonna use eggplant. And also I got, this is one of my favorite, since the coronavirus outbreak, I love to have ginger tea. And this one is amazing because it has a dual flavor, orange ginger tea. Love this tea. I bought 2 because I'm gonna give it to my boyfriend. And also I got this chili flakes because I love spicy food. So chili flakes, this is €1 only. So it's amazing. So this is all what I got in Aldi. What do you think about this supermarket? I consider Aldi is one of the best supermarket here in Portugal because they have many things, many organics, many vegan friendlies. And this is it. This is my organic vegan grocery. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. What do you think about this grocery haul in Aldi? What's your favorite or the best here in these items that I bought? I'll see you again on my next video. Please stay tuned and support my channel by liking and subscribe and smash that bell notification again so you will never miss any tips and vlogs with Magandita. I'll see you again on my next video. Ciao!